So I'm gonna just grab your blood pressure quick.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is gonna be like a get ready with me day in my life doctor's appointment vlog. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video, but this time I'm back. So yeah, I'm gonna be going to the doctor's appointment and I wanna bring you guys with me. If you're new to my channel, I do beauty and lifestyle videos. If you're interested, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell to be notified when I upload.
So I'm gonna just grab your blood pressure quick.
Thank you.
There you go. And then you can just rest your arm right on your lap.
So we just got back from the doctor's appointment. When we got there, they checked my temperature and my blood pressure and they took how much I weigh and stuff. I weigh like 166. The last time I went, I weighed like 160 and now I'm 166. I think it's because I stopped working out and stuff. At first I was working out, but then I stopped and I gained a couple pounds. My height is 5'3". So when we was there, we was talking about into counseling and stuff because I go to therapy no more. So they was just trying to get me back and they was trying to get me into other like appointments, like a skin doctor appointment. because I have albinism. I didn't get a shot this time, but the next time I'm supposed to get a shot. Yeah, I'm supposed to get a flu shot next time. So I stopped uploading for a while. I was getting like frustrated to get myself back together and trying to work on myself a little more, but I am uploading. So I recently started to get back into dancing and stuff, because when I was little I used to dance a lot. I was in my room dancing, and recently I wanted to get back into dancing. Danced in a while, kind of made me feel discouraged, like stressed out and doubting myself. I was practicing and I started to like try to get out of my comfort zone and started to dance again. I did pretty good, just trying to get myself back to how I used to be. Also, I might be getting a camera soon. Hopefully I could get a camera because I'm tired of using my phone. I'm just sitting in my room doing nothing, just waiting for the food to get done because I'm hungry. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below, leave a comment, and share this video. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.